Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct English second paper class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic is, let's see, it is completing sentences part 1. This is our first class on completing sentences. That means another class will be held on this topic, completing sentences. Dear students, look, this is our lecture number 19 and homework number 12 on our half yearly 2021 syllabus. So dear students, I am telling you something regarding starting our class, completing sentences. This is the first class on YouTube. And in these connections, this is not so much difficult topic. It is an easy topic, but you need to practice a lot. So completing sentence is also a new topic in class 9. In these connections, I request you to give your attention. If you remain active to our 2 classes, this topic will be very easy for you to understand. So let's start our class. So look here, I have also written completing sentences part 1. So look at the first one. Here I have given you, or I have written here 10 rules of completing sentences. 10. 1. So last one is 10, and on the basis of these 10 rules we shall practice today. Number 1, look, if there is to before an adjective or adverb in an incomplete sentence, we use to plus suitable verb plus meaningful words or words to complete the sentences. Look at the exercise or example. He is too dishonest. In your exam, such kind of or questions will be written like this: he is too dishonest. Okay, here we will write too dishonest, then verb to suitable verb speak, to speak meaningful words, to speak the truth. So look, he is too dishonest to speak the truth. I am telling again, he is too dishonest to speak the truth. Number 2, if there is an adjective or adverb after so in an incomplete sentence, then we use that plus subject plus cannot or could not, a suitable verb. Cannot or could not will be used on the basis of the tense. So look here, exercise or example. The man was so ill. So look here it was in past form. The man was so ill that, according to the real rules, we will use here that he. Here it will be could not cannot. It will be could not, because in the previous portion it is seen was is written in past structure. Could not walk. Done. The man was so ill that he could not. Oh yes, here we will use not. I am telling again, please don't forget to write here. The man was so ill that he could not walk. 3 number rules, like, so that, in order that bears the same meaning. So exercise, he saved money in order that, look, he saved money in order that he could not, he could buy books. So look here, he saved money in order that he could buy books, or he could help the poor, as you wish, no problem. But listen, dear learners, it is not mandatory to write my sentences. You have a choice, but you have to follow the rules so that you can write them correctly. You saved money, he saved money in order that he could buy books. Next, the meaning of providing that is if. They express the meaning of if. So look, he will shine in life provided that he works hard. So look, he will shine in life provided that he works hard. Fifth number, lest bears negative meaning. The clause that begins with it, should or might, is placed after it. So look at, he walked fast, lest he should or might. Base form of the verb miss the bus or train. Full stop. He walked fast lest he should or might miss the bus or train. Sixth number, the meaning of unless is if, not is not used in that clause. So keep it in your mind. In the unless sentence there will be we shall not use or we must not use not. So look at, unless you read attentively, I am telling again, unless you read attentively, that means if you do not read attentively, you fail in the exam. I am telling again, unless you read attentively, you fail in the examination. Now we will go to next page to have rules number 7. To complete the incomplete sentence with until or till, a full meaning is added. The portion after until or till is affirmative. Look, wait for me until I return. Wait for me until I return or I come back. 8th number, to complete the incomplete sentence with as long, a full sentence is added to the incomplete sentence. Allah will be with us as long as we remain truthful. So look here, Allah will be with us as long as we remain truthful, or we can write as long our aim is honest. Whenever our aim will be honest, Allah will be with us. So look here, I have given another answer. Allah will be with us as we remain truthful or as our aim is honest. 9 number, to complete the incomplete sentence with though, although, since, because, if, as, a meaningful. So look here, meaningful sentence is added to them. Though he is poor. So look here, though he is poor. Though he is poor, he is honest. Very common sentence, I think all of you know. Though he is poor, he is honest. Number 10, in spite of and despite have a similar meaning to although or even though. To although or even though. So look, in spite of he is having merit. So look here, that means though he has merit, in spite of he is having merit, he failed in the examination. Or you have a choice to write your own sentence. In spite of he is having merit, he failed in the examination. Now dear students, look here, I have given your selected homework. Okay, look here how many homeworks I have given? 5 homeworks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please pick up the sentence and in the gap you will write the answer. So this is your 12 number homework. So look here, and 12 number homework. So please do the homework properly, and these homeworks, these 5 sentences are given as your homework on the basis of your 10 rules. So before doing your homework, please practice or try to learn the rules 1 to 10, then you will sit for doing your homework. Dear students, I hope this class will be very effective for you to understand your completing sentence, and another class will be held regarding on completing sentence part 2. Please watch this class also and do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.